Hello everybody. So today we have the Zanussi IZ washing machine. I've got it first. Let me tell you a date. I got it originally on 17th of May. It was fully broken, drum was stuck, it was bashed with dents and scratches. It just wasn't the best condition. Now, I will tell you about the characteristics, programs, and some special stuff about it. You obviously know that the machine is like that. Instead of it straight, the machine is like that. You can't really see it, can you? I mean, basically, yeah. You could see it from here. Yeah. So, it's a really good machine. It has the jet system. Some of you like to call it eco shower, whatever. It has a big drum. You can wash anything in it, I think. No, the drum's okay. For some reason it has a spin brake. Hold on. Oh, it doesn't want to initiate anymore. Zanussi jet system is innovation from Zanussi. The model is 16S. The is from the is 16 is 1600 RPM, and the S is silver. So let's just give it a turn it on for a bit. Wash through the programs. The drawer looks like this. Could get a little clean. The filter. Many people haven't seen the filter. It looks like this. The drum is it's big. Oh, there you go, the spin brake. Here's the numbers, if anybody cares. I don't know if y'all can read, I'm using a small camera. Probably you can't. Okay, let's plug it in and take a look. Okay, so the first one is power, obviously. Turn that on. It basically doesn't show anything. First button, you select the fabric type. Second button, temperature. Third button, spin speed. The fourth and fifth may vary. They may say wash type, and this say options. They have like eco, outdoor sports wash, but I have the boring model, I guess. It has a pre-wash and super rinse. Then there's time save, quick. These two buttons. This one, start, pause. This is a skip. I'm gonna show you what skip means if somebody doesn't know. You've got like 3 dots. Wash, rinse, and spin. Press skip, it just rinses and spin. Another time spin, just spin. Okay, and then another spin, drain, another skip, reset. Then the time delay, this is really useful. Many machines don't have that. Oh, sorry. So basically this is start. Cottons. It goes from 30 up to 90 degrees, 1600 spin, 1200, 900, 700, rinse, hold. What I like about the temperature, it has 50 degrees. That's in the middle of hot. There we have pre-wash. Cotton's 90 with 1600 spin. With pre-wash is 2 hours 44. Cotton's 60 with pre-wash, 2 hours 24. Cotton's 50 with pre-wash, 2 hours 21. Cotton's 40 with pre-wash, 2 hours 23. Currents 30 with pre-wash 2 hours 23. With pre-wash and super rinse. Currents 90 3 hours and 2 minutes. Currents 60 2 hours 42. Currents 50 2 hours 40. Currents 40 2 hours 41. Currents 30 2 hours 41. With pre-wash and super rinse. Okay, just super rinse. Current 90 2 hours 48. Current 60 2 hours 28. Current 50 2 hours 22 25. Current 40 2 hours 27. Current 30 2 hours 26. Now these off with quick. Currents 90 1 hour 37. Currents 60 1 hour and 6. Currents 50 1 hour and 3. Currents 40 fucking hell 58 minutes. Currents 30 still 58 minutes. Okay, I could just do all of them like that, but that would just make the video last the whole day. So sorry, I'm not. I'm just gonna do, if you really need, I could help you. Just write in the comments, I can contact you. Then we got synthetics. It goes up to 60 degrees. 900 spin. Pre-wash, super rinse. Does it have quick? Yes, it has quick. Okay, 60 degrees, 900 spin. With pre-wash. I'm just not gonna speak anymore. You see for yourself. Delicate goes up to 40 degrees. That's it. 700 spin. Yep. Does it have pre-wash? Yes. Super rinse? Yes. Quick? Yes. Okay. Let's just see. 1 hour and 4. 30 degrees, 56 minutes. Okay, let's just see with pre-wash. 30. 30. 30. 30. Quick. 56 minutes. 48 minutes. Okay. Wool. Goes up to 900. Huh. That's weird. Okay. 40 degrees wool with pre-wash. Oh. None of that. Okay, okay. Basically, see these two. Alright, nothing changes. With quick. None of that. Okay. Makes the video easier for me. Hand wash. Goes up to 40 degrees. Okay, let's see. None of that. None of that. Okay. Goes up to 900. Okay. Fair, fair. What did I want to show you? Okay. The time delay works like this. 0 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and so on and on. Basically, you press start and it delays. So, if you want to do spin only, I'm just gonna show you. Let's just close the door. You currents 1600, skip 2 times, and let's spin. There you go. But we do not need that right now. I'm just gonna show you through the service mode. The water is off. But yeah, I'm gonna show it. Service mode. You these two buttons. Basically on any Electrolux there's these two buttons there. Turn it on. It shows 10. I don't know what that means. You just release it. Go through all the LEDs. Just so you see. That's what it looks like. Sorry? Not the only one who sees that, right? Sorry? What? There's LEDs there. And there. Here as well. What? So let's just proceed to the video. Basically, you press this button, it goes into service mode. It's taking water on the pre-wash side, synthetics this side, delicates the fabric conditioner side. Wool is, I don't know, it turns the heater on, I think. This turns on the jet system. This is spin wash, and here's the glitch spin. I'm gonna show you what it does. It's not supposed to stop that soon. Okay, so this is, I don't know what, last error code, I think. Or no, this is last error code. This is configuration mode. I would maybe try to do something with that because the spin is not working properly. And I've got extra LEDs that freak me out. Why is that? It's just too frustrating. If you turn it off, turn it back on, you're gonna say EE0, in other cases ELE. It's gonna lock the door and take on water and go through the cycle. So that's it. Now I will take some washing I have to do, and yeah, I will go through the cycle slowly. Okay, so let's put a load on. Sorry for the music. It's just the speaker in the shed. What did it change? Turn it on. Button 60. I don't know, should I do 60 or 50? Okay. Jet system on. Wait, you didn't see the effect of the Zanussi IZ, by the way. I'm gonna fix that so you're able to see that it's an IZ, not a basic machine. Hold on. Center it. Now it's gonna be with a little incline. There you go. But I can't go any lower. I guess that angle was better. You could see the time and everything.
This year, man. She put her 10 on my dick. Look at my wrist about that. Just got a pound of the proof. Bought that shit straight to the booth. Tell me my help with the proof. She said one fuck, bitch, I do. You put a gun on my mask. I put a hole in your parents. I just got lit on my smoothies. Look at me, look at me, yeah. Look at me, look at me, look at me, yeah. Look at me, yeah. Look at me, look at me, look at me, look at me.
Okay, so I have to go, but I will come back when it's like spinning or whatever. Yeah, I'll let it wash for a bit, let you see the nice section, and then I'll go. Okay, jet system seems to be off. Bro, there's like no water inside of it. Huh? That's not gonna clean at all, is it? Huh. Stupid. On these models, I think they take very little water. Like actually, the only water the clothes got was the jet system, which turned off. Okay, so bye-bye. Okay, I was gone for too long, it's now rinsing. Time's left. All good. ¿Qué es eso? draining. Interim spin. That was really crazy. My god. Dryer on top almost fell off. Oh my god, bloody hell. The dryer's literally falling off. What the hell? What the hell are you on to? What the hell are you on? What's that sound? Okay, one sound is the shocks. Other sound, I don't know. God, that's loud. At least the bearings are okay. those brushes sound sparky. Okay, super rinse I think now. Whee! Jet system. Okay, I'm really running out of storage. I will skip this part and just go to the final spin. I'll leave it to show you guys. If something interesting happens with the super rinse, I will start filming. Final spin. Or what's happening? Yeah, final spin. I'll just skip to it.